Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not working, whether they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth or syncing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get them fixed and you decide to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can set them up as though they are a brand new set of earbuds on a new device. All we need to do if we want to do this is put the earbuds in the case as shown and leave the case open. Make sure everything's got a decent charge on it. From there, we're just going to come in and the button on the case, we're going to press and hold the button on the case, keeping an eye on the lights on the case. We're going to hold that button for about 10 seconds until we see the case lights flash 3 times, and then they'll flash in sequence, and that will confirm that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds.